stood by me, yeah, you never switched up. Even in all the times I messed up. Yeah, you were one in a million.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I love saying that. It's like my favorite thing to say. But today we're going to be talking about perfume. I've been a perfume girly for a while now. I never came to this channel and told you guys about my perfume, but I was like, why not? I've been collecting for about 10 years. I have my favorites. I have my not so much favorites, but I want to show you my newest edition first. But first off, hi, if you're new here, my name is Lola. I specialize in beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. Today we're going to be talking about perfume though, so make sure you subscribe if you're interested in any of these topics because your girl is coming hard in 2025, okay? I'm literally recording about 3 videos today. If you see this outfit a lot, it's like mind your business because your girl's getting to work. So yeah, first off, let me show you guys my newest addition to my collection that I absolutely in fall. I've already fell in love with. I haven't worn it yet, but I really love it. I got this for Christmas. It's the Maison Francis. I can't say his last name. I'm not going to even hold y'all. I really love his stuff. Like, he really does know how to like make you smell rich and like it's just luxurious. You get what I'm saying? Like, it's kind of like a low-key unboxing too. Came with some samples too. I can't wait to get my next one. I told my husband, like, yeah, this is the first of many, because the last one I got for Valentine's Day. I love that one too. I'll show you guys that one in a quick second. I got the Baccarat Rouge 540. It's customized and everything. I really love this one. This one gives like rich, it's like a really potent version of like just luxe. Like, sometimes you can get a luxe perfume and it's not as like powerful. This one is really powerful. You spray it like 2 or 3 times, like, you're gonna really get your life. Definitely recommend. It is kind of expensive. It's about $500, but it's definitely worth the $500 and it lasts so long. Now, my everyday scent that I just pop on because it's Tuesday, but it's still considered luxe, is Light Blue by Dolce&Gabbana. You can already see how much of a dent I put in here. I love me some Light Blue by Dolce&Gabbana. It's very clean, very like simple, and it's kind of unisex too at the same time. I'm realizing that I like unisex scents a lot. I don't really mind to smell really feminine. I like to smell clean. I like to smell like, if I do smell like anything that's feminine, it will be flowers. Dolce&Gabbana Light Blue is going to be something I purchase over and over again until I can't anymore because I love it that much. Like, they have like different versions of it. This is an older Toilette, so the perfume is a lot stronger. I really like her. She's one of my, I think this is the first luxury perfume I ever bought. Once you start, you can't stop. So definitely recommend if you want to start somewhere small or like not as expensive as the previous one. I definitely recommend Dolce&Gabbana Light Blue. I am a juicy girl. I like my juicy tracksuits. I like my juicy whatever. Like, if I don't really do the juicy purses right now. It's not my thing. But I do love a juicy tracksuit. And I do love a juicy perfume. Okay? I have 3 different ones. I know this one is like a special edition. I got this one in like a TJ Maxx, but this is my favorite one. It smells like it has a champagne bottle on it. I'll definitely try to look up the names of these so I can give you at least the name. This is my favorite. It gives like special edition, and it smells like a little bit more sweeter than the rest. I love her. I go to her first out of all of them. This is the original Juicy. I liked her too. She comes out like every now and then when I'm not trying to do too much, but I want to do something. And then this one I got as a gift. I think it came in a gift set with like some lotion. I think it's like a cheaper version of this one. I really love these girls. Like, they're very feminine. They're very subtle, very fruity. Like, so these are only ones that I'll like wear and I want to feel fruity. Let me smell her. This is the one I go for the most. Yeah, it's definitely like some grapes. Definitely like, it reminds you of like, this reminds you like a tea party. Like, so many smells in the air, but it still smells good. And you can smell the flowers too. And then this one is kind of, yeah, this is the OG. This is kind of romantic, more romantic than this one. This one is like, oh, we outside, we kicking it, very feminine. This one's kind of like, oh, I could wear this day or night. This is given daytime. This is given nighttime. But then again, I wear stuff like this all day, every day. This is the scent that I like to be a part of. This is giving like more grown. This is like the grown up version of this version. And then this one, yeah, I think this is just a smaller version of this one. This one is called Alla Rose by Maison. I don't know his last name, but I call him MFK. I love this one the most. I got this last Valentine's Day, and you can see how much I've used it. My daughter got into it too, but I'm gonna have to repurchase her because I like her that much. This is like the very feminine version of the Baccarat 540. This is a feminine scent. My husband, the other one, 540, is unisex. This one is not. This gives a rose, the most precious rose, the most expensive rose, long stem rose, okay? The florist that charge you a couple of grand for a bouquet. Really like her. I'm gonna have to repurchase her because she's expensive though, but it's not as expensive as the Baccarat. Baccarat is about, in that size, about 500. In this size, this one is about 2 something, like 240, 250, depending on inflation. I'm pretty sure stuff is going up. It's not the most potent smell. She's subtle and expensive. You can tell she's expensive as soon as you smell her, and that's what I like. I like to smell expensive when I'm wearing my perfume. I don't want to feel like, everybody has the same scent on. And I'll even layer my perfumes too. But I really, 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 really like her. She is not a beginner one. She's definitely like a deep cut. She's so pretty. And I just love smelling like a little rose. It gives springtime. It gives summertime. It's just a beautiful, elegant scent. I can't wait to repurchase her. I've been trying to hoard her now because you can already see how empty she is. But I really, really like her. This is one of my favorite scents ever. All right, so now we're moving on to Chanel. Chanel number 5. Classic. This is my rich old woman scent. I got the travel one because it's the same size as this. So I have 3 Chanels. This is my husband. I just want to show you guys if any men watching this. It's called BLEU de Chanel. It's very masculine. I do not recommend women purchasing this, like blind purchasing it, because you're going to smell like a man. It's very, very masculine. I love it on him. I would never put this on me. And then I also got Chanel Chance. Chanel Chance is one of my favorites. It's a lot lighter than Chanel number 5, but it's still mature, very mature. I feel like whenever I go to a business meeting or I'm doing something, like when I was buying my house, I would channel Chanel because you have to smell like the woman you want to be. I really like Chanel Chance. I kind of like Chanel Chance now more than I like Chanel number 5. I have the travel version of Chanel number 5. You twist it and it goes up like that. Chanel number 5 is very mature. I feel like if you want to wear this for the rest of your life, you can. I used to wear her a lot. I've kind of backed off of her because she's a little bit too like powerful for me. I remember one time I went to a wedding and I sprayed too much, and it was just like, you don't want to be that girl that sprayed too much. But you do smell good. You do smell expensive. However, it is a lot. It's like a very powerful scent. But I do like her. I feel like she's a classic. I would never get rid of her. Once I run out, I would definitely repurchase. But she's very powerful. So Chanel number 5, Chanel Chance, and BLEU de Chanel. So this is a male, and these are 2 women. Definitely recommend the 2 women for women. Definitely recommend the masculine one for men. But this is my collection for Chanel. So I got this one. It's called Vera Wang Princess. Now, you can find her a lot of places, TJ Maxx, Ross. She's very affordable and very accessible. She's very feminine. I do like her a lot. I don't wear her as often as I used to. I definitely want to start wearing her more because why not? She smells good. It's very light, very girly, very feminine. Gives lavender vibes. You can get her for like $30. $30. The other ones range from like $70 to $150, but this one is like $30 for sure. And if you might, you can probably find it even cheaper because Ross definitely be having discounts. So does TJ Maxx. So does Marshalls. I love Vera Wang Princess. It never gets old. I love the bottle too. It's like really cute. Now, I also got this Jimmy Choo, but I like this one too. I got this as a gift from my mom-in-law. Now, she's a little bit more mature than like maybe a Juicy Couture or a Vera Wang, but not as mature as a Chanel. Chanel is definitely the most mature out of all of these, but these is still giving clean, still giving like flowers, lavender, but it's more of a musk included in the lavender and the flowers. I definitely recommend, if you're like younger than 18, to not start here. I would start somewhere like maybe with Juicy Couture, something a little bit more elegant, because this gives more mature. I gravitate more to the MFKs, but this I used to gravitate towards. You can already tell how much of a dent I put in it. I'm a perfume girl. For some reason, I don't gravitate towards this. Maybe for like a date night, I would definitely, if I'm just going out for nighttime or like, really putting on a dress, this is that kind of vibe. But as far as like during the day, I don't recommend this during the day. And I don't recommend it if you don't like a little bit more of a maturity in your scent. Last but not least, I have the Valentino. This one I love. This is a unisex one. Me and my husband share this one. It's very equally yoked. It's very in the middle. It's not too feminine, not too masculine. I think either a man or a woman can wear this and feel absolutely comfortable. It smells like equal musk, equal flowers. It's a little bit more muskier than I would say a flower. This one, the Jimmy Choo, but it's also giving you feminine energy compared to like the Chanel Blue. I live for this one. I definitely recommend. I wear this a lot. And I feel like, honestly, when I wear this, it's like kind of a special occasion. So definitely recommend purchasing her. She doesn't overpower, but it is powerful. You can gift this to a woman or a man. I like her a lot. Now, for honorable mention, something that's like less than $10 that I recommend, that I've been wearing for forever, is this Paris Hilton body spray. It's called Paris Hilton. I actually go out of my way to get the blinged out version, because why not? And I love this scent. Now, I mix this scent with other scents. This is how much I love it. And then the reason why I mix my scents with other scents is because it makes them more unique to you. Because if you always wearing Chanel No. 5, people are like, sometimes people will smell you and be like, ooh, smell like Chanel No. 5, but it also smells like something else. It's kind of like a unique, custom-made scent just for you. And I'm always going to mix my scent with some Paris Hilton body spray. And I like to go with her, because it's a body spray. It's not a perfume, it's a body spray. And so even if my perfume doesn't last all day, I have her left. I've had this for like 10 years. I have 3 of them though. So if I run out of one, I get another one. And I literally go find a blinged out one. Please don't ever discontinue these blinged out ones. It just gives me the fantasy. You already see how I'm just walking around the house recording videos. Like, it gives me what I need. And I don't ever want to stop. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is one of my favorites. So if you only have like a $20 budget, go on Amazon right now and Google Paris Hilton body spray, and you won't be disappointed. Super feminine, super light. It's like light. It's like, ooh, you just smell good. Versus like, what scent are you wearing? People will be like, oh, you just smell good with this. And she's been producing this for forever. And I think she knew it was gold because she named it after herself. She has other scents that I only dabble in the catamarans and the other kinds. I just like the original OG Paris Hilton, and I use it as a body spray. Now, if I'm just walking around the house, I'll put this on. My husband, I feel like, associates me with this. Definitely recommend. If you're just starting out, you don't know where to start, you like clean scents, you like feminine scents, this is where you start. So yeah, I am so proud of myself. I'm so proud of you to stand to the end. I am really so happy to be back talking to you guys one-on-one on YouTube, because why not? This is what, like, people would ask me what I wanted for Christmas. I wanted to record my content for Christmas. I had to lock myself in a room for this video because my daughter is like, Mama, but I'm almost done. Like, whatever you want to do in life, go get it, because nobody's going to give it to you. You got to go snatch that. You got to go snatch it out the air and make sure that they know that it's yours, because this is mine. Y'all know it's mine. I've been here for 10 years and I'm still going strong. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment. I have so much great content coming up. I just bought a house, so maybe a little bit home decor focused, family focused. but it's still content and it's my content. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm here, baby. What up? Make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, if TikTok is not abolished in a couple of weeks. But I'm Lola Slays on everything. LOLAASLAYS. Okay? All right. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you.